A is for airplane, soaring in the sky. B is for bulldozer, piling dirt up high. C is for canoe, gliding on a stream. D is for dirt bike, speeding like a dream. E is for electric car, silent as a breeze. F is for ferry, sailing on the seas. G is for garbage truck, keeping streets so clean. H is for hovercraft, gliding in between. I is for icebreaker, crashing through the ice. J is for jeep, off-road it's so nice. K is for cart, racing round the bend. L is for locomotive, the journey never ends.
M is for monorail, gliding on its track. N is for narrowboat, on a canal it packs. O is for oil tanker, steady and slow. P is for plane, where travelers go.
Q is for quadricycle, pedaling with ease. R is for rowboat, rowing through the seas. S is for scooter, zooming through the town. T is for tractor, plowing up the ground.
U is for ultralight, flying through the air.
V is for vessel, carrying cargo everywhere. W is for water taxi, zipping through the bay. X is for excavator, unique in every way.
I is for yellow cab,
Taking you downtown.
Z is for zip line,
Zipping all around. From A to Z we've traveled far, learning vehicles, here we are. A, B, C, you rode with me. We explored the vehicles from A to Z. Wave goodbye, but don't delay. More adventures await another day. A, B, C, you rode with me. We explored the vehicles from A to Z. Wave goodbye, but don't delay. More adventures await another day.